Spotify. I don't have Spotify. Do you have Spotify? Do you listen to Spotify, Reeves?
No, I have Pandora.
Oh, okay. All right. I'm not mad at it. Well, look, Spotify is doing some things over here, y'all, and they're saying we want you to pay attention to it, and hopefully you'll like it. And they're saying they're pushing heavy into AI to force free users to start paying for monthly subscriptions. And basically, they're saying that they have this new chatbot named Talk to Spotify and an upcoming official AI remix tool backed by UMG, which is Universal Music Group, and Merlin. Now, management claims that their AI music tools focus on consent, credit, and compensation for artists instead of making up fake songs. And they're saying that to make people actually sign up, Spotify is putting extra ads and restrictions on free accounts while keeping the new AI voice and remix features locked behind paid tiers. Now, investors did not go wild over the extra spending, leaving the stock down 1% by the end of the day. But they're saying, hey, you get hands free control while driving. You talk directly to the app to play the songs, the podcasts, or the audiobooks without looking at the screen while commuting around your city. And they're saying you ask the voice feature to play who played the guitar on your favorite R&B song, your favorite country song, or a classic. They'll say you'll get a direct answer without searching online. You know, you've been like, who is that? Who is that playing the bass? Who is that on the keys? Even if you had someone at a concert and you say, who is that person? You can ask the AI that and it'll tell you who it is. They're also saying that you tell the app your current mood or event type and it builds an exact music lineup instantly. And they're also saying you ask for specific book summaries or episode recommendations matching your personal interests without scrolling through the menus for audiobooks or podcasts. Now, they're saying you hear updated high quality takes on classic tracks that maintain original artist vocals legally and cleanly. This is what Spotify is rolling out with their new AI. They want you to stop paying for the free account and they want you to be able to talk directly to the AI. They want to give you more curated experiences and let you ask the questions that you always wanted to know about your favorite artist. Now they're saying that voice controls make finding media easier for users who dislike typing on small screens, such as your phone. And they're also saying official artist partnerships protect creator rights while allowing legal track remixes. Now they're also saying free account limitations force users into monthly subscription fees. And they're also saying unnecessary feature additions drive up platform operating expenses. So Spotify is saying, hey, we don't want you using our free account. I'm not going to ask you a poll question. I want you to type in how do you feel about this? Are you paying for the computer made tracks? Are you doing that, Revis? Talk to the people.
Uh, no, I'm not, and I'm not gonna dog out Spotify. They're just trying to make some money, and
Mm.
that's what it's all about. And I do have a Pandora subscription, so I don't get commercials and everything else, and I get the music that I actually like. So no, I'm not gonna dog out Spotify.
So as you can see right there on the screen, you just talk to your AI generated friend once you have a paid membership, and it will take care of all of the things with the voice controls. So now you don't have to type in the playlist. Hit the spot 1006 says, I don't like it when you had the phone in your lap when you driving. Well, now, well, I don't use Spotify, but if I had Spotify, I could say, play Master P. I could say, play Glorilla. Play the Isley Brothers. Play Sherelle. It would play it for me instead of me typing it in or looking for the song on the playlist, and I kind of get distracted, right? Telling on myself a little bit, but hey, it is what it is. I got to do better. Maybe I might switch over to Spotify. What did Steve Harvey say? Steve Harvey said, Steve Harvey said, oh, hell no. He said, hell no, he ain't doing that. Basically, that's right. Learn to learn. Shazam features are basically built in now. You're exactly. Please don't dog Spotify out. No, I'm not gonna dog them out. I'm just saying I'm not gonna pay for it. I'm a YouTube music guy, so I have
Well,
Spotify subscription and I do not use the AI. Okay, there you go. Go ahead.
learn to learn. I seen learn to learn say, please don't dog our Spotify. Even though learn to learn dog me out on the word of the day, I still didn't dog our Spotify. Okay.
God. I would love the comparison. I have Spotify and haven't been able to make Pandora work for me. I don't navigate it well. Okay. But you can talk to it and it'll give you suggestions as hit the spot 1006. There you go. So you see the responses coming in. So yeah, you give it the suggestions. Now, what I will say about YouTube music, I'm playing my song and then all of a sudden this AI generated voice comes on and starts telling me some history of Snoop Dogg or of Cash Money or whoever the artist is, Outkast. And I'm like, I don't want to hear you telling me about the history. I just want you to play the music. Now, maybe if they brought this Shazam type feature over here, then it might be okay. But the fact that Spotify is trying to stay innovative, that speaks volumes. And I'm proud of them for at least doing something different. I think that's fair. Reeves like, I ain't got nothing else to say.
Yeah, hey, I'm not gonna dog our Spotify.
Well, that's understandable. I'm not gonna be mad at it, player. I'm not gonna be mad at it.
Maybe I'll dog out Apple, but not Spotify.
Okay, I hear you, player. I hear you.
Tap in with us. Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern. We simplify it for you. You can't say we didn't tell you. See y'all there. Don't miss out.